Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be playing Find the Markers, and I'll be showing you how to find this guy, and I'll show you. Alright, we're just going down. It used to be insane, but now it's on the extreme. It's called Cough Drop Marker. Alright, now firstly, you'll start off at the spawn. Then you'll just walk up to the mountain. Guys, remember how it used to be like when it was when I made the marker delete and the error? So this is like, it's more different. So follow my steps. So climb the ladders straight. Then you'll be in here. Then you gotta go in here. Then you'll be here. Then you'll type in hill, rock. Boom.
You're on the right track, but you're really
Here.
What do you think hill rock means? Maybe you look at the hill.
So you keep on typing hill, rock, and then you'll collect them.
Try that.
Alright, that was all for today, and make sure to like and subscribe. I really want you guys to subscribe, and make sure to like and subscribe once again.